That is opposite words presenting same line. Opposite words presenting same line. Opposite words presenting same line. जसं antithesis मध्ये opposite words tautology साठी काय असेल? Two similar words. Okay? Then write here for tautology. Two similar words present in same line. Next poetic device, climax. Climax. Here words are arranged in ascending order. Ascending order, that is from 1 to 10 or A to Z. Like for example, dawn, morning, afternoon, evening and night. हा कसा वर्ड्सचा कसा आहे सिक्वेन्स असेंडिंग ऑर्डर मध्ये आहे. दॅट इज एक्झाम्पल ऑफ क्लायमॅक्स. अपोजिट काय असणार आहे? अँटी क्लायमॅक्स. हा इथं कशी असणार आहे ऑर्डर? डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. Okay, right there. Words are arranged in descending order. Words are arranged in descending order. Next poetic device, number 9, personification. Personification, that is person, related to person. Human qualities given to inanimate object or things. Personification, that is human qualities given to things. Given to things. Next poetic device, number 10, onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia related to sound or music. For example, hammering, rustling, rattling, okay, etc. Related to sound. हा कसा आहे याचं प्रोनाउन्सिएशन जरा म्हणा बघू. onomatopoeia. Okay, onomatopoeia. Next, hyperbole, that is exaggeration. Hyperbole, that is exaggeration. Okay, see once again, poetic devices. Poetic devices, that is figures of speech, because it is figurative language used by poet to decorate his poem, okay, his or her poem, to increase interest. First poetic device, alliteration. Okay, tell me what is alliteration? Repetition of letter or sound. Here repetition of same word. Next, simile, direct comparison by using like, as or so. Good. Next one, metaphor, indirect comparison. Next one, antithesis, opposite words presenting same line. Tautology, similar words presenting same line. Climax, words are arranged in ascending order. Good. Anticlimax, descending order. Personification, human qualities given to inanimate objects or things. Next, onomatopoeia, that is related to sound or music. And last one, hyperbole, that is exaggeration. Okay, take examples. Number 1, rapping, 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 at my door. door. Rapping at my door. Number 2, he ran as fast as cheetah. 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 Next, number 3, and there is much strain, strain, much strain, and stress, stress. Next one, creamy and crunchy, creamy, creamy and crunchy. Next, this class is golden. This class is golden. Next, the house was looking at me. The house was looking at me warmly. warmly, warmly. Next, the broken doll lay, lay sadly. The broken doll lay sadly. Next, of the people, comma, by the people, comma, for the people, of the people, by the people, and for the people. Full stop. Next, this is the worst day. worst, worst day of my life. This is the worst day of my life. Next, many are called, but few are chosen. And last one, she is a great writer. Comma, a mother and a good humorist. 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 Full stop. 11 sentences झाले. ओके. Take 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. first bench. Read first example. Rapping at my door. Yes, which poetic device? Is it alliteration or repetition? Repetition. Okay. Generally प्रत्येक एक्झाम्पल alliterationचा असू शकतं हां, पण alliteration सोडून कन्सिडर करायचं आणखी कशाचं आहे हे एक्झाम्पल? इट इज बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल ऑफ रिपीटिशन. राइट देयर, रिपीटिशन. Which word repeat here twicely? Rapping. Okay, sit down. Stand up. Second.
He ran as fast as cheetah.
He ran as fast as cheetah. Simile. It is example of simile because there is comparison between a boy and cheetah in case of running. Sit down. Next.
And there is much strain and stress.
And there is much strain and stress. Alliteration सोडून सांगायचं हां. Tautology. It is example of tautology because underline the word strain and stress. That is tension. Underline both that words, strain and stress. It is example of tautology. Two similar words present in same line. Sit down. Next sentence.
Creamy and crunchy.
Alliteration. Creamy and crunchy. It is example of alliteration. Which sound is repeat here? C or CR? CR. Okay. हा जो साऊंड रिपीट झालेला आहे, अंडरलाइन दॅट साऊंड. टॉटॉलॉजी साठी अंडरलाइन स्ट्रेन अँड स्ट्रेस. हा, स्टँड अप. नेक्स्ट. This class is golden. Okay. Ha. It is example of. This class is golden. That is, this class is like gold. Class is compared with gold. Metaphor. It is example of metaphor. Because class is compared with gold indirectly. Next.
The house was looking at me warmly.
The house is looking at me warmly. Easy आहे. कोणता आहे? Personification. Looking. It is human quality which is given to house. The house. Okay. Therefore, it is example of personification. Next.
The broken doll lay sadly.
The broken doll lay sadly. Broken doll. ती ब्रेक होताना जो साऊंड आहे. Therefore, it is example of onomatopoeia. The broken doll lay sadly. It is example of onomatopoeia. Yes, first bench. Stand.
Of the people, by the people, for the people.
Of the people, by the people, and for the people. It is example of repetition. It is example of repetition as well as climax. Okay, climax. Why it is example of climax? Importance जे आहे, importance जे आहे of the people, by the people, and for the people. Extra revolutionary वाटतं for the people. Okay, importance वाढत जातं. It is climax as well as repetition. Next.
This is the worst day of my life.
This is the worst day of my life. Hyperbole, exaggeration आहे. एखाद्या टीचरनं एखाद्या मुलाला रागवलं त्या दिवशी तर तो हे सेंटेन्स बोलू शकतो. म्हणून काय तो वर्स्ट डे आहे का? नाही. It is example of hyperbole. Next.
Maniac, forgot fear of choosing,
And antithesis. Good. Which two opposite words present here? Many and few. Underline both that words, many and few. Next. काय झाले? Climax आहे. ग्रेट रायटर, ग्रेट रायटर आहे, त्यानंतर ती मदर आहे आणि त्यानंतर एक गुड ह्युमरिस्ट आहे. हा अँटी क्लायमॅक्स आहे. सुरुवातीला ती काय आहे, ग्रेट आहे, ग्रेट रायटर आहे. त्याच्यानंतर थोडीशी इम्पॉर्टंट लेवल मदर आहे ती आणि त्याच्यानंतर एक गुड ह्युमरिस्ट आहे. अँटी क्लायमॅक्स, इट इज एक्झाम्पल ऑफ अँटी क्लायमॅक्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट पोएटिक डिव्हाइसेस तिथं फिनिश होतील. नेक्स्ट हे राहू दे बोर्डवर. आर्टिकल्स, there are 3 articles in English. Tell me. A, and the. हे तुम्ही 5th स्टँडर्ड पासून लर्न केलेलं आहे. A and the, these are articles. Then tell me the conditions of using article a. Conditions सांगा of using article a. A article आपण कधी यूज करतो? Conditions. Yes. When we can use article a? Starting letter. हाँ कौन सांगेल? Yes, last bench. Starting letter. At the starting of sentence. No. Sit down. काय असेल कंडिशन? before consonants, okay, or before a spelling we start by consonant. Okay. हाँ, तर मग मी असं लिहू शकते इथं. हाँ, spelling start with B. A balls. Is it correct? मग तुमची कंडिशन करेक्ट आहे? नो. हाँ, मग कसं आपल्याला कंडिशन इथं तयार करता येईल? हाँ, करेक्ट. Before a singular noun which start from consonant letter. असं असली पाहिजे आपली कंडिशन. ओके, sit down. Then write article a comes with, article a comes with a singular noun starts with consonant letter or starts with consonant. English alphabets 26 आहेत. Among that English alphabets 21 consonants and remaining are vowels. Remaining 5 are vowels. Which vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Then tell me condition of using article and. Before a singular noun which starts with vowel. Right. लास्ट बेंच. हाँ, समजतंय, लक्षात येतंय? आर्टिकल्स अँड लास्ट आर्टिकल द. दच्या कंडिशन्स ज्या आहेत त्या बऱ्याच आहेत. ओके, राईट डाऊन. बिफोर नेम्स ऑफ रिव्हर्स, बिफोर नेम्स ऑफ रिव्हर्स, कॉमा माउंटन, कॉमा आयलँड्स, ISLANDS, islands, comma names of newspapers, names of newspapers, comma names of certain books, names of certain books, comma musical instruments, musical instruments, comma ordinals, ordinals, comma to denote particular person, comma thing, comma before unique things, and before abstract ideas, abstract ideas. आता हे जे वर्ड्स मी दिलेले आहेत याच्यामध्ये बिफोर नेक्स्ट ऑफ रिव्हर्स, माउंटन, सी, ओशन, बिफोर नेक्स्ट ऑफ न्यूजपेपर, बिफोर नेक्स्ट ऑफ सर्टन बुक्स, विच सर्टन बुक्स, होली बुक्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल रामायण, महाभारत, भगवद गीता, बायबल, कुराण एक्सेट्रा. बिफोर ऑर्डिनल्स आहे. व्हॉट इज ऑर्डिनल्स? दॅट इज द फर्स्ट, द सेकंड, द लास्ट, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, फोर्थ हे ऑर्डिनल्स आहेत. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट आयडियाज म्हटलेला आहे. व्हॉट इज ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट आयडिया? फॉर एक्झाम्पल ट्रूथ, लव, विजडम, डेथ हे सगळे काय आहेत? ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट आयडियाज आहेत. ओके, देन टेक एक्सरसाइज. Example number 1. Honest men, Honest, honest men speak. Honest men speak. Dot dot truth. Honest men speak. Dot dot truth. Number 2. He gave me dot dot copy, COPY, dot dot copy of dot dot Bible. He gave me dot dot copy of dot dot Bible. Next, number 3. Honesty is the best policy. By mistake me answer सांगितलं. Okay, honesty is the best policy. Underline the word the. Next, I saw dot dot advertisement. I saw dot dot advertisement in dot dot Times of India. Dot dot Times of India. And last one, dot dot book you want is not with me. Dot dot book you want is not with me. Okay, take 2 minutes for solving examples. Please, no discussion, please. are the article the. Next. Yes, last bench.
He gave me a book copy of
Bible. A copy of the Bible. Correct. Next.
I don't know Indian kinds of Indian.
Third sentence. Okay. Number 4.
I saw advertisement in the Times of India.
Advertisement. An advertisement. Okay. An advertisement. Why an advertisement? तू म्हणाले ना, आम्ही सगळे अँड म्हणालो, ऍक्सेप्ट केलं, पण का? वॉवल साऊंड. स्पेलिंग स्टार्ट विथ वॉवल साऊंड. बस. नेक्स्ट.
The book you want is not with me.
The book you want is not with me. इथं का नाही घेतलं? आर्टिकल. दॅट स्पेसिफिक बुक. ते स्पेसिफिक बुक की जे तुला हवं होतं. ओके. नेक्स्ट. Prepositions. Next. Prepositions. These are prepositions. Write down prepositions. Okay, these are prepositions. Then tell me, what is prepositions? All these words are preposition. Then tell me, what is definition of prepositions? हे वर्ड्स जे आहेत हे काय काय सांगतायत, काय काय इंडिकेट करतायत? पोझिशन इंडिकेट करतायत. ओके. काही प्रिपोजिशन्स टाइम इंडिकेट करतायत, काही डायरेक्शन इंडिकेट करतायत. मग आपण प्रिपोजिशनची डेफिनिशन कशी प्रिपेअर करणार सांगा? प्रिपोजिशन्स आर दी वर्ड्स विच इंडिकेट टाइम, प्लेस और डायरेक्शन और पोजिशन. ओके. Then write down prepositions. Dash. These are the words. These are the words which indicate time, place, position, direction, etc. Then take examples. Number 1, he will return. R-E-T-U-R-N. Return. He will return. Bombay. A week. He will return Bombay a week. Full stop. Number 2, he who runs only. He, who runs only money can't succeed his life. He who runs only money can't succeed his life. Number 3, the snake was killed. The snake was killed. A man. dot dot a stick, dot dot a man, dot dot a stick, full stop. Next, number 4, you must work, dot dot care, you must work dot dot care. And last, number 5, we complain, COMPLAINED, we complain dot dot the principal, dot dot his wrong behavior, dot dot the principal, dot dot his wrong behavior, his wrong behavior. Okay, solve these examples.